so this is the Louis Vuitton Pallas BB unboxing. I just finally got this, so let's open it up. So I guess this must be a perfume sample. Yeah. It's a teeny tiny perfume sample, so that's cute. But this is what I am here for. I like the dust bag. It's very efficient. Okay, so here we are. The Pallas BB. I spent a little more money to get the same color handle as there is with the leather. Okay, so I think this area is canvas, these areas are leather, and it has the 2-zipper closure at the top. And the sides are magnetic. And from the other reviews, it seems like it fits a lot of stuff in these side pockets, so I am excited for that. And the sides are the same color, which is nice, and it has the little feet. And on the front, yep, so it should say Louis Vuitton Paris. And the straps are detachable, so they should be inside. What's this? Yep. So here's the leather strap, and a lot of people have mentioned this already, but it's not adjustable. Just comes with a little care note, and it's the same color inside and has one pocket, but that's it. There's no other pockets in there. Let's zip it up. Oh, making all the noises. And let's get that hooked up. And here we are. What I thought was interesting is that the notches for the rings are on the top instead of hidden. Usually people try to hide stuff like that, I think, but even in the store, it was up at the top. And this, like I said earlier, is unadjustable. And some people were mentioning how the center of this strap gets a little thicker. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it gets a little thicker, so it's not a one width strap. But yeah. Alright, I am back to see what fits in here. So it doesn't exactly stand up right now. I am hoping that it's just because it's been in transit and has never been stuffed, so it doesn't actually have enough things holding it up. But so a lot of people seem to have complained that this is kind of tight, but it seems okay. It's fine. So got my moleskin notebook. I've got my charger. Got my pen in here. Things. Oh, it's already kind of starting to hold up. So I have my Coach wallet. It's kind of old. It's a little, yeah. So my earbuds, no, oh, there is a, nope, there are no D-rings in here, so I can't clip that anywhere, but let's close it up. So now it's kind of precariously holding up. I think I just need to give it some more time to fill itself out and kind of balance, because I do see it's not symmetrical, and I think that's by design because this is the front, so this part's smaller and the back is longer. I'm assuming it's for the fact that this side would be on your body, so it should be longer, but I am not 100% certain. We shall see, depending on how well it fills out. So because it has feet, we know it should sit up properly, so the fact that it's not symmetrical is kind of get harder to sit up, but you know, it's standing now. It wasn't standing earlier. And this is not my phone because I'm using my phone to record, but this is pretty big, but it's an iPhone 7s maybe. I don't know anything about iPhones. This is big, so this fits very well in here. And it's not stuffed up at all. Some people like to really stuff their bags. I don't really particularly. There's still space left, so if I wanted to put my sunglasses in or something, I can most definitely do that. This is probably what I would go around with on a normal basis. So yeah, that's what goes in the bag, and there's more space. And you can obviously put little stuff in here too if you wanted. So that was my unboxing video of this beautiful purse, and I hope you liked it. If you would like to see some more unboxings, I would say subscribe or let me know, but I can't guarantee because I don't do these kinds of purchases very often. But yeah, hope it was helpful. If you're considering buying it, it is really beautiful and really well made, and I really recommend it. Not that I've taken it out yet, but it's just very sturdy, so I'm very excited to use it this season. And please excuse my outfit, I'm about to go to the gym. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.